What's the impact of striving for that goal of seamless integration having on the technology environment in the restaurant?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I'm certainly going to defer to the other folks up here who focus more on the software personalization side. I'll handle the infrastructure questions. Okay. IT is being asked to do more with less, save me money, make me more efficient, and you're being asked to bring new capabilities to bear. In this particular study, it's about customer engagement, customer analytics, but really, we all have lived this in IT for decades, right? Do more with less, or bring me more capabilities to bear so I can figure out how to grow the business. So I think as you think about where IT is being asked to play and what a central role IT is taking on more and more is this fundamental enabler of the business. So kind of just draw a line under that and hold that thought in the back of your head for the rest of this conversation. But specifically to your question, what does it mean and what happens? You're beginning to see this geometric growth in the number of things IT has to manage and that IT has to weave together to make it all really deliver for the customer and for the employees. It's kind of a new area where we're being asked to bring IT capabilities and IT structured thinking to the process. And that's honestly near and dear, certainly to our hearts at Hughes. But lastly, how do you solve this problem? How do you bring these multiple applications running, multiple data interchanges with across multiple devices and platforms? And I think you've really got to think to yourself, open APIs, absolutely. That's the way we have always figured out how to better improve the data sharing efficiency. You want to think about things like move to the cloud and some of the agility that allows you to move applications back and forth, move data locations back and forth, move data exchanges or API buses into that sort of an environment. You can think about things like SD-WAN and taking advantage of direct to the internet broadband capabilities, greatly increasing your broadband capacity and network capacity. All of these things come to bear, and I think the real kind of driver here is how it impacts the restaurant industry. Is you've got to kind of weave these pieces together, and of course with a strong security wrapper, to create this infrastructure that allows all these great applications to do the things you need them to do.